I noticed that I haven't been receiving emails on my Gmail account. As you can see, the last date was October the 11th. So I sent some test emails and see if anything would come through, and they haven't come through. So I probably have been missing a lot of opportunities, or maybe from the HR departments or other important messages that did not come through. So what I did, I clicked on more and went to important, and I seen this email from Google. And basically what it's saying that it's totally full. Since it's 100% full, I can't send or receive emails. I can't save files or anything. So I'm going to show you how to clear this and delete some of your largest files. So the only thing you will have to do is do this, or you could pay for more space. Pay $1.99 a month and buy more space, but you don't need to do that. So here go what you do. First, you want to click this button right here to delete files by size. Then you want to come right here, hit delete file size in Google Drive. And you click on it, and it's going to show you your files from largest to smallest. Or you could go if there were, say, storage usage, you click that again, that's from smallest to largest. So click it again and go back to largest to smallest. And what you can do is just go through here and pick the ones out you want to delete. See, these are zip files. I downloaded some YouTube videos. I didn't know that it was storing them in my drive. So you can click on one and delete it. Or you can click on them one at a time. And another thing, what you can do is just click on the first one and scroll down to the last one you want to delete and hold your shift key and hit your mouse. And you can delete multiple ones at a time. So once you got everything cleared out, I got those large files deleted, you want to go to your trash can, your bin. You want to empty it also. So like I said, you can click on the first one, hit your shift key, and click on the last one. And it highlights them all. And you go up there to the top and say empty trash can. And it's saying it would be deleted forever. And once that's done, go down and hit your storage right there on the left. And it shows you got all this free space. And you can buy more space if you want to, but I don't think it's necessary. And I'm going to show you another way to do it also. What you can do is, once you go to your email, go to these dots right here to the top right, click on it, and go to your account. And go down to account storage, hit manage storage, and you can go to your Google Drive, Gmail, or whatever, and you can click on it here on the right, and it takes you to the same location. So you can start deleting files from there. And just hit the delete button, just follow the instructions from the beginning. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.